Hey there. Ever heard about quantum computing? It's a pretty cool field of study. It's not new, though. Quantum theory has been around since the early 20th century. Quantum computing is a type of computation that uses quantum bits, or qubits. Unlike bits in classical computing, qubits can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This is due to a quantum phenomenon known as superposition. Another cool quantum concept is entanglement. It's like magic. When qubits are entangled, the state of one can instantly affect the other, no matter the distance. These quantum properties can make computers incredibly powerful. Imagine solving problems that would take traditional computers centuries in just minutes. Quantum computers aren't just theory. Companies like IBM and Google are already building them. In 2019, Google even claimed quantum supremacy with their 53-qubit computer. But don't get too excited. We're still in the early days of quantum computing. There are still many challenges to overcome, like error correction and qubit stability. But the potential is enormous. From drug discovery to climate modeling, the applications are endless. Quantum computing could even revolutionize fields like cryptography. It's a fascinating field with a bright future, so stay tuned. To explore more on this topic and other skills, log into jada.ai. See you there.